Nick Holt here. So Kris just got done with his workout. He's filming right now, the man behind the camera, doing an amazing job. And then we got us four. We're gonna do 2 types of ab workouts. Leah Dolan here, CrossFit extraordinaire, is gonna run this Tabata workout. Yep. And then the second portion of this, we're gonna do a little bit of an ab circuit. So I'm gonna go to Leah and have you run this one. I'm gonna sit right here and let's get to it.
Okay, so this one is a Tabata of hollow rocks. So a Tabata is the timer. It's 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off of 8 rounds. So these are called hollow rocks, and this is a really, really good core movement. So you line up with some friends or line up, I mean, you can do it by yourself, but line up with some friends is gonna be a lot more fun.
So the hollow rock position, you're gonna point your toes up, you're gonna push your belly button into the ground, okay? You wanna keep your face kind of up and your shoulders off. All right, everybody relax. Okay, so we're gonna pass the weight. I'm gonna set a timer. So we're gonna go 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. You guys ready?
Ready.
Okay. Okay, ready, up. So put your hands up over your head.
Like
there
this?
You go, yep.
So what's great about this, guys, you can do this with a weight or without a weight, wherever you are, it doesn't matter.
We're gonna pass the weight. It's actually, I feel like sometimes it's easier with the weight. Okay, keep holding. Okay, down. So everybody rest, and now I'm gonna pass the weight to Nick. And you can either hold it one hand or 2.
Okay, so I'll hold it.
Ready, set, up. Oops, went early. So make sure to push your belly button into the ground.
I notice on this, guys, you can keep the weight back like this to add more tension, or you can put it directly in front of you like this to release the tension a little bit. I'm trying to make every rep count, so I'm putting it back here.
Rest. Pass the weight. Up.
Oh yeah, hold it. Uh-huh. Feel that core. Oh yeah. It burns.
Pass the weight. Ready, up.
Oh, I hope they're in their happy place because I'm in my happy place. Woo!
Sorry, I couldn't hear it.
Tell us that time. So
I know, but I couldn't hear it. We're still going.
Leave it to Leah to keep
halfway
give me a
done.
better ab workout when I don't even
Oh,
need
pass
it.
the weight.
Wait, we're doing it again?
Yep.
Do I go again first?
How many times are we doing this? Okay, go. Now we're done. Yeah, go. This is 8.
Okay.
So 8 rounds. It's
8
about
rounds.
8 rounds. So we're halfway done.
Just tell me when.
Halfway done.
Yep.
Yeah, because you're going through 4 people.
Oh, I thought we do 8 of. Oh, okay, got it.
8? No, yeah.
Got it.
We're gonna be destroyed before we hit my
What
workout.
the heck?
Down. I know you.
My
you guys-
workout's not easy either.
This is hard. Dude, I look like a
Wait,
fucking...
Kara, you gotta keep passing the weight there, sweetheart. Pass it. Pass it.
Well, we didn't go again.
Yeah, you did with the weight.
Now
Now
up. Do it twice with the weight.
Up.
Up.
No, you pass the weight every round.
Oh, I get it, but I was saying to go all the way back. So now
Make sure you have a good team dynamic, guys. You don't want to get in fights.
Don't want to get in fights.
And if you do, use it for aggression. Fuel your workout. Just like Kara over here. Look at her face.
Down. So now Sybil pass to Nick. Nick,
She forgot my name. She's working so hard.
No, I almost called you Holt, though.
You can call me Holt.
Yeah. Hulk. And up.
Incredible Holt.
Incredible Hulk.
I've been called worse.
Oh, so you can go like this. You get a little bicycle. Yep. Down. Yeah.
See, I ended before that.
Nick, you did it. Are you passing the weight?
Yeah, it's right here, baby. It's right in front of you.
Yeah, ready?
Hey-oh.
Up.
It's getting really hard now.
Yep.
Woo! Let's go, Sybil.
Down. Okay, that's it.
Oh my god.
That was a horrible idea.
That's a good one for why CrossFit athletes have such phenomenal cores.
There you go. All right. You
liked
like this video? You want to see more? You know what to do. Sybil.
Like it.
Comment.
Subscribe. Follow it. Comment.
That's right.
Subscribe.
Do whatever you want.
Subscribe.